Hello everyone. Do you always worry about uneven rubber drying, fuel waste, or equipment durability? Take a look at the natural rubber tunnel type drying furnace from Weida Machinery. The furnace framework is made of steel structure and adopts a modular design like building Lego, ensuring quick installation, durability, and no sagging. The inner seal is made of 304 stainless steel, which is rust resistant and corrosion resistant. We design matching burners according to customers' fuel requirements, and this tunnel-type drying furnace can use firewood, coal, and biomass as fuel, adaptable to various fuels including firewood, coal, nutshells, mining area coal, and environmentally compliant biomass, while being fully compatible with firewood, coal, and biomass pellets for simple and quick fuel switching. Equipped with a composite insulation layer to ensure long service life. It features a circulating temperature control system that minimizes temperature fluctuations, ensuring consistent quality for every batch of dried natural rubber. A chain grate continuously conveys fuel to maintain stable temperatures in the combustion zone, and the circulating temperature control system reduces heat loss. Moreover, this burner is a non-pressure vessel, eliminating the risk of explosion and providing a high safety factor. Zhanjiang Weida Machinery has specialized in natural rubber processing equipment technology for 20 years, allowing you to dry rubber with peace of mind, save money, and reduce fuel consumption. After baking, a discharge device lifts the entire frame on the drying line to facilitate subsequent steps such as handling and weighing. If you also have such needs, please contact us and inform us of your requirements. We will design a customized solution tailored to your needs. Leave professional matters to professional people. Thanks for watching. Zhanjiang Weida Machinery, worthy of your trust.